Hello, speechers, and welcome to today's storytelling. Remember the Garcia family daily routine? And then we talked about dad, and then we talked about mom, and today we talk about their daughter, Sophia. Ready? Sophia's daily routine. Sophia usually wakes up at 7 a.m. and gets ready for school. She's a teenager and she's always changing her style. But she is usually wearing jeans and a t-shirt. Her hair is long and straight. And she's got a big smile on her face. She's very sociable and loves spending time with her friends. So you see, she's a teenager. She loves to spend time. Ella ama pasar tiempo. You spend money. Gastamos dinero, pero también spend time. Pasamos tiempo. The same word, spend, pasar, gastar. So she spends time with her friends. Her friends, ¿por qué her? Porque son sus amigos de ella. Remember that? His car is blue, su auto es azul. Remember mom? Her garden is full of flowers and herbs. Su jardín está lleno de flores y hierbas. Okay? So his, her. Su, de él. Yes, his. Su, de ella. Excellent. Her. Pero también el plural, sus. Para él o para ella. His, her. So, talking about Sophia, she normally has a quick breakfast and then heads off to school on the bus. So how she goes to school? By bus. She's got a lot of homework to do every day, but she's always happy to help her family with their chores. Mom with the cleaning, dad with some documents to find, and also her brother Mateo. She helps her brother Mateo with his homework. She's very responsible and is always looking for ways to improve herself. So you see, there are possessives, his, her. There are new activities like spend money, spend time. And also this, she's got a big smile or she has a big smile. Ella tiene una gran sonrisa. Both are correct. She has a big smile or she has got a big smile. Don't forget, follow us, TikTok, Instagram, comment, so we can get more ideas to help you with this language journey. And also, when you comment, ask questions, ¿ok? Vamos a olvidar que estamos en línea y vamos a interactuar lo más seguido que se pueda. Vamos a tener también por ahí el vocabulario de cada una de las secciones. Entonces, entre más interacción, más preguntas, yo estaré feliz de estar en contacto con ustedes. See you soon. Bye bye.